the sunrise glow. Empty pockets, but my spirit still grows. Dust on my shoes, tears in my eyes, still I keep reaching for brighter skies. Every road has a stone to climb, every scar is a mark of time. Though the pressure tries to break my soul, faith and hope keep making me whole. Hard times won't last forever, we'll stand up strong together. Through the rain we'll find the light, keep on fighting, hold on tight. One love carries us along, turning pain into a song. Mama said, don't lose your way, even when the clouds hide the day. The system heavy, the burden real, but no one can steal the way we feel. With every step I plant my seed, growing straight from every need. Tomorrow